How to securely delete software update on iPhone. Hello guys, now this is really simple and also really safe and also really easy, so I'll teach you guys how to do that. But before that, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your settings. After you've opened up your settings, scroll down till you find General. Navigate to General. Go to iPhone Storage. Now after you're on iPhone storage, you'll need to scroll down. Now scroll down again and tap on Show All. Now under Show All, go down again till you find iOS and the version of the iOS. Tap on it and you'll see the Delete Update option. Simply tap on Delete Update and go through the process, and maybe your iPhone will restart and you're basically good. You've just deleted your software update on your iPhone or iPad. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.